What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be an update about my Bybit trading bots, how my bots are performing. So currently I have 5 running bots and all them bots are running. Okay, we can see my equity 326. So last week I've added $50 into a bot because I needed 124 or something like that, 27, and I only had $80. Okay, so I decided to top it up a little bit just to deploy their bot, and their bot was on ETH. Usually the bots on ETH are more expensive than cheaper coins. Okay, and over here we can see my P&L is uh, minus 0.5% or minus 1.63 bucks. So if we come over here and open my trades, we can see my 5 bots, my current 5 trades. Okay, so I'm going to open the bots and also I'm going to show you on the price chart my entries. Okay, so this is the ETH bot, the one that I've added a little bit more cash. So I only had $80 and I decided to top it up with 50 more bucks, okay, just to be able to deploy this bot. Otherwise, I would not be able to deploy this bot with many grids. Okay, so this bot right here, we have number of grids. Where is it? So we have the bots right here. So the price range between 1663 and 2148, 50 grades, mark price 1861, and my entry price was 1875, and I'm using 10x leverage. So if you open the ETH price chart right here, we can see my entry. Okay, my entry was right here in this blue line right here, 1875. Okay, and the bot essentially will trade between 1663 right here and 2140 right there. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is a bot for the long run because I believe we are going to trade between these range for a long time. In the meantime, as you can see right now, the bot is minus 249% right now, but it's still making profits because we are trading within the grids. Okay, so we got the positions right here, the buy and sell position. So every time the price goes down and hits one of these prices, the bot will buy. Okay, and every time the price goes up and reaches these prices, the bot will sell, and that's how we make those profits. Okay, over here we can see the trades history. Okay, so eventually this grid profit will add up, and we don't have to be at the entry price to be in profits because we accumulate some profits, right? So I'm going to show you that in a minute. So next one in line, we have the ETC, Ethereum Cash. Okay, this one is not doing well. Okay, so we are on minus 14.31. And if we open the price chart right here, we can see how the bot is performing. Okay, we can see how the price chart looks. Okay, so as you can see right here, I decided to deploy the bot over here, right? Because I thought, okay, he's gonna pull back up to here and then he's gonna bounce back up. But I was wrong, but not too concerned because uh, the grid range is gonna be between 1615 roughly up to $27. Okay, so that's why I decided to deploy this long grid. Okay, and where is it? Right here. Okay, we can see 16, 12, and 27, and we have 112 grades. Okay, so far we've made in profits $2.33, but because we are below our entry price, so our entry price was here and we are down here. Okay, so we are in negative right now, but again, this is a long-term bot. That's why I'm not too concerned about it. So far, we've made 213 trades in just 6 days. All right, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, that's why I said to you, now I'm just going to deploy bots for the long term so I don't have to come over here and do technical analysis every single time. Okay, so just set and forget. Okay, so if Ethereum Cash keeps on going down, okay, it might be a good entry to come and join the deploy a bot on this coin at 18.29. Okay, and then from there we can set the same parameters, or you can set the lower grid at 16.15, and the higher one you can set it over here to 24 bucks. Okay, and then the number of grids and leverage, it's up to you. Okay, something to consider. All right. Next one in line, we have the XRP. Okay, so XRP, we currently are up 4.34%. Okay, and this bot, it's let's call it 7 days old right here. So total profits 3.81 bucks. But because we are below our entry price, are we? Oh, we actually not. We actually just slightly above, okay, 47.04. But because we got these profits right here, okay, we are up 4.7%, okay? So if you come over here to the ETH price chart, XRP price chart, okay, we can see our entry price was right here back then, over here. The price pumped at some point. I was 10% up, okay, and then price came down and is going back up again. Okay, again, this XRP bot, it's for the long run. As long as we keep trading sideways or slightly going up, I'm not concerned. But if you start coming below these 43 cents, okay, maybe it will be time to shut it down. Okay. But bull run is coming, so I believe XRP will be a good fit for the long run. That's why I'm deploying it for the long run. And so far we've made how many trades? For the trades at 93 trades. Okay, and we made 3.81 bucks. Okay. Next one, we have the BNB. Finally, BNB got triggered, and we are currently up 4.19%. If we open the BNB price chart right here, we can see our entry price. So not too much FUD around BNB at the moment. So my entry price was right here on this line. BNB dipped a little bit below 234, went all the way to 231, and now it's trading at 236. That's what we want. So from here, hopefully BNB won't go below 220, okay, because our stop loss is at 220, and then from here, BNB will start pumping up. The price upper grade will go all the way to 316, because I believe once the FUD goes away, BNB will pump again and we will catch this right. In the meantime, as long as BNB stays within the grades, okay, we are trading. Okay. So far we've made 20 trades. Grid profits, total profits per grid. No, so grid profits, total grid profits, it's 0.24 cents. Okay, because the bot, it was only deployed a few days ago. Probably, when was it? Yeah, 2 days ago. Okay, so that's that, right? And last one, we have which one? ARB token. Okay. So last one, we have the ARB token. So 7 days old. Okay, we made so far $5 in trades. Okay, but we only have the P&L of 4.20. Okay, well, you can see the entry price was at 1.12, and now we are at 112.79. Okay, it's just a little bit of difference, but because we made so many trades in the past, 134 trades, okay, we've made this profit so far. Okay, so imagine if this ARB token goes back to 120, 140, whatever. Okay, guys. So it will be big. Okay, so it will trade between this 0.90 and roughly 136. Okay, so that's cool. And as long as the price stays within this range, we are performing those trades, we are accumulating, and the more we accumulate, all right, so it doesn't matter if the price goes slightly below the entry price, we're still going to be in profits. Okay, so again, all these 5 bots have been deployed for the long run, so the investment was minimal because that was all I had in this Bybit account. So eventually, once I close one of these bots, I will have more funds to invest. So essentially, I will just auto compound just like I did not auto compound, manually compound, just like I did with ETH. Okay, because I closed this BTC bot right here. So 50 bucks, I end up um, making profits of 34 bucks. Okay, so in total was 84 bucks, and then I decided to top it up with another 50 bucks to make 134 to be able to deploy these bots. Okay, and that's the system I will use. So once I close a bot, hopefully it profits, I will then use the profits to deploy a new bot to earn more money, and that way I will be able to generate more funds, essentially. Okay, more profits. So guys, that said, that's the update about my trading bots on Bybit. If you want to join Bybit, right now link's going to be in the description. Currently for spot trading, the fees are zero, so you pay zero fees, and they also offer you some sign up bonuses. Okay, so let me see what the sign up bonus is. Sign up bonus is so you can earn up to 10,000, no, not 10,000, 1,025 bucks and 30% commission. Okay, so that's the bonus right now. Okay, guys, all the links gonna be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.